ask you a few interviews available.
Hey, how are you all doing?
Hi. Sorry. Hi, I'm Lucca.
And I'm Sophia.
And we're from the Santa Barbara Middle School Teen Press. So, can you tell us a little bit about your film?
Sure. It's called COLIN and Be Brave.
Yeah. So our film is called Go On, Be Brave, and it's the story of this young woman right here, ANDREA LYLE PEET, who is diagnosed with ALS. ALS, it has a life expectancy of only 2 to 5 years, and at the 5-year anniversary of her diagnosis, she set an impossible goal to be the first person with ALS to do a marathon in all 50 states, and she is here tonight, and we are celebrating her and all that she has accomplished.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
What would you like people to take away from your film?
The main takeaway is it's really a universal question of what does it mean to truly live? And Andrea is the embodiment of waking up every single day and choosing to live life to the fullest, regardless of the time that you have left.
Great, thank you.
Yeah.
If you could give us one homework assignment, what would it be?
Oh yeah, you should definitely.
You need to go out and run at least one race that you never thought that you could do.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you all. Good job. Great questions.